dear students. Dear students, today I am going to discuss rather throw light on an important topic, that is diary writing. Dear learners, diary writing is a record of one's daily experiences and thoughts. It is a book in which one can write down the experiences one has each day. It is in fact a private as well as personal record of one's innermost feelings. Dear learners, आप सभी को पता है कि हमारी ज़िंदगी में हर दिन न्यू इवेंट्स, न्यू चैलेंजेस आते जाते हैं, एंड इन ऑर्डर टू मेक रिकॉर्ड ऑफ these events we must keep good habit to keep a diary. Dear learners, diary writing is having tremendous benefits. For example, it improves one's decision making, it improves, it makes one a better planner, it helps us to walk towards success. By diary writing your secret confidences are kept in your diary. Dear students, as कि मैंने बताया है कि diary writing is having tremendous benefits. Now dear learners, I will tell you what is the format of diary writing. How can we write down diary? Dear learners, for diary writing there are certain rules. For example, in the beginning we have to write down the date, day, time. After day, time, हमें एक लाइन ब्लैंक छोड़नी होती है. उसके बाद हमें लिखना होता है डियर डायरी. डियर डायरी, why to write dear diary? In fact, diary is our secret friend. It is our personal friend. That is why we have to write down dear diary. After that, there comes content. In the content content should be in a single paragraph. It should be around 80 to 100 words. Always not necessary. Content should start from first personal pronoun. One, right? For example, I. Uh, Today I was at whatever we can say. It is not necessary to write down personal pronoun. It may not, we cannot start our day content. We cannot start the content of our daily diary every day with personal pronoun. In the diary, in the content rather, there comes first general experiences, general sentences. uh, After that, conclusion. In the conclusion, what you have learned from day, future, what is your future planning. That all you have to mention, even cited out in the conclusion. After the completion of कंटेंट, हमें एक और लाइन ब्लैंक छोड़नी पड़ती है. उसके बाद अपना नाम लिखना होता है, एंड दैट नेम शुड बी, फॉर एग्जांपल माय नेम इज Bilal Maqbool, etc., etc. I have to just write Bilal or Bilal Maqbool. Here I am giving you another example of diary writing. For example, first we have to write down the day, 5 June to 2020, Sunday, 7:30 PM. एक लाइन ब्लैंक. उसके बाद डियर डायरी. उसके बाद एक लाइन ब्लैंक. उसके बाद आई वॉज वट एवर इज ब्लैंक, एक ही पैराग्राफ में. उसके बाद एक लाइन ब्लैंक. उसके बाद बिलाल मकबूल. दिस इज द फॉर्मेट ऑफ डायरी writing. I hope you all have understood it, enjoyed it. I wish all the best. Thanks. Have a nice day.